It is a bit overgrown. Fuck. Huh? Got my sunnies on, I can't see anything. It's so dark. So what trail was this? Oh, they don't really have names, do they? They're just kind of like...
This is the Merri Creek single track.
Oh, Merri Creek single track, okay. You can't make out what's what.
This part's gonna be
Fun.
Yeah, this part gets overgrown and it's sort of like off camera shit.
Okay.
Not super bad, but can be.
Oh, I was gonna go straight. Man, someone should just like come out of here with like a whippersnipper and just fucking cut all this shit.
Yeah.
God damn. Because they're cool trails otherwise.
Yeah, they are. They're just pretty rude here.
A what? Oh yeah.
The log coming up, he's down the roller.
Jesus Christ.
Hey.
Fuck me.
Yeah.
Between the prickles and the grass, and you can't see anything.
Yeah.
God damn.
Yeah, it's different, challenging, like.
Well, it's a bit better out here. It's checked, everything's checked, like I've greased it all, we're all good.
Yeah. Well, I noticed I was getting that down after being late. I don't know whether
Then maybe that's a bolt loose or something.
okay.
Sounds like a bolt loose or something.
Yeah, I was like, I don't know if it's like bloody loose or something, and since then, when I ride rough, I can feel it.
Yeah.
I reckon that was
There's... Oh god, that was hectic. Well, I think it's rolling. Wrong way?
we can cross the up ahead.
Okay. I'll put this into a video. I'll just say Merri Creek ride. Yeah, my back wheel hit my my butt hit my back wheel going down those stairs. Yeah, it just felt steeper than the first set.
It definitely was.
Yeah. Oh.
Over the stairs.
Huh?
You sort of transfer a little bit. Just from the stairs onto the side, you know what I mean?
No.
What train you'll think?
There's stairs up here. There's like wooden stairs up here from memory.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah.
Yeah, no. This is where the 2 rocks are that I was talking about.
Oh my god, there's... Yeah, that's right, these ones.
I can't ride up them. These are the 2 rocks. You said you rode them
I've ridden them before in the fucking Merida, I'm pretty sure.
on America.
Yeah.
That rock drop right here.
Oh, maybe not. Looks a bit sketch, bro. I have ridden it, I'm pretty sure. Oh, it's pretty sketch, actually. Yeah, no, not keen on falling down a cliff.
That's rollable.
Yeah, it's rollable. Maybe when you got more coordination.
Nah, I remember you're on your Focus and you said you rode that.
Did I?
But I was all the way down there, I didn't see you ride it. But you went back for it, I'm pretty sure.
What?
I probably will bust and then bust over that corner and then
This is not the time to be attempting fucking hard shit.
I was attempting hard but a tyre ran off the edge of it.
Oh yeah.
And that crossing back there, me and Brad use a lot.
Oh, to ride over?
No, we walk the bike over, but you can cross over the other side and then and then if you cross over to there, there's a road there that takes you straight to the car wash.
Oh.
Yeah, my front wheel went to the right. You know how like you get on like the edge of concrete
Yeah.
and you got to turn doesn't get up?
Yeah.
That's what happened, and the front car went off the edge, I went to turn and it slid out.
Like when you try and go on, when you get stuck in a rut.
Yes.
Yep, it hurts.
Yeah. I luckily I kept left and I sort of pushed myself upright. But that's a... Just sticking out on the phone.
Yeah, I think I remember.
Yeah, that one's up here.
Yeah, that's right, this section. This is Kia Ora, isn't it?